This tapping script will be for overcoming negative self-talk. So we're going to start with the karate chop point, which is right here, and you will repeat after me. Even though I often engage in negative self-talk, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel stuck in this cycle of negativity, I choose to release it. Even though I sometimes believe I'm not good enough, I am open to changing my thoughts. Take a breath. And we're going to start at the eyebrow. This negative self-talk I experience. Side eye. These thoughts that hold me back. Under eye. I recognize when I'm being hard on myself. Under the nose. These limiting beliefs that I've accepted. Chin. It's okay to acknowledge my negative thoughts. Collarbone. I choose to replace these thoughts with positivity. And then underarm, so right here. I am more than my negative self-talk. Top of your head. I am open to loving and accepting myself. Take a deep breath. Now we're going to go again. Right above. Repeat after me. I am good enough just as I am. Side eye. I release the need for negative self-judgment. Under eye. I choose to speak to myself with kindness and compassion. Under the nose. I embrace my strengths and celebrate my achievements. Chin. I am worthy of love and respect from myself and others. Tap the top of your head. It is safe for me to be kind to myself. Deep breath. After completing, take a moment and just write down in your journal anything that came up. Were there any instances of the negative self-talk that you've noticed today and how you felt? Every time something comes up of, I can't do it, I'm not good enough, I'm not strong enough, I'm not young enough, I'm not pretty enough, I'm not, whatever it may be, I want you to do this and flip the script of the negative self-talk into something loving and kind. You can adapt the script to better fit your personal experiences or beliefs depending on what you are feeling personally. Make it a regular practice and it can reinforce those positive changes in the self-talk. See you in the next video.